So a couple of days ago, we did a trade of the day video on the euro dollar for the S4 Accelerator strategy. Now, we'd been in this trade for a long time, and it was only really as the indicators then started to roll back down that we then ended up closing out this opportunity. Did we then look to take a short? Absolutely not. Everything was continuing to point to higher prices. So whilst the indicators turned down at this point, you can see the vector average turning down here. We're red at the bottom here as well. What this is basically telling us, this is a pull down in a what? An uptrending or a downtrending market. Let's look at the context. We've got higher highs, higher lows on a very basic chart, but really easy to spot. You can spot that straight away. So there's no need for any big elongated analysis on this. Number two, you've got a blue line here. This is the intermediate trend. When it's blue, it's suggesting it is up. When it's red, orange, rather, it is suggesting it is down. It's blue. Okay, so that means that we're going to be going, if we're going to take a short, we're going to be going against that direction. Not particularly clever, particularly when the daily direction's up, the weekly direction is up as well. So this is a 4-hour chart. So you've got two higher time frames plus the intermediate trend, all telling you that we're pointing to high prices. Chart patterns suggesting higher prices too. We need to stand aside from this one. We don't want to be taking this short. It is a low probability opportunity. And what is the most likely scenario is a small correction followed by a move back onto new highs. And what's happened here? We're waiting then for the next buying opportunity. Okay, and that came here. Okay, 10 o'clock on the 4th of August. That was the buy we've been waiting for, because just like with gold, we want to be getting back onto these strong trending markets, looking to see prices rise. And when you look at a chart like this, you've got a couple of options in terms of targets. It's a great opportunity, but you can look at your average true range. You can look at the top of this price channel as an opportunity if you like to take profits. Some of our students like to continue to run these trades to maximize their profit for potential as they potentially might overstretch. It is ultimately down to personality, this. Personally, for me, I prefer to look to take little and often, a bit like keeping that scoreboard ticking over, positively progressing towards my daily, weekly, monthly targets with my trading too. And you can see an entry around 118.00s, and then you can see the price moving on really nicely. We're just pulling back a touch this morning, but we have nudged the top of that price channel there. That's about 100 points to the good, and I know that some of our students would have taken profits at that point. So here we are, a day and a half into the opportunity, and a fantastic trade. Back in line with those dominant trends, and you know what? It's really easy to spot those two. Simple color coding, greens, the blue line there. It's just about spotting basic patterns to determine trade confidence. And that's it. That's today's trade of the day.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.